In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Claude on your iPhone. So Claude is one of the AI assistant apps. It's very popular. It's very easy to use. So let's go ahead and download that on our phone. So on your iPhone, you just want to go to the Apple Store, or if you were on your Android, just go to your Google Play Store. And we're just going to go ahead and type in Claude, and it should just come up. Yep, Claude AI. And from here, you just want to hit the Get button, and that will start the download onto your phone. Double click for your Face ID. And then a couple seconds, depending on your phone's processing speed, it will download. Once that's done downloading, you have an option here to open it from here or just go find it on your phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit open. And then we can go ahead and continue with Google to just fill in an email that you want. Very simple to do. Or you can go ahead and continue with Apple or just make a regular email for it. I'm just going to type in a passcode and let's go ahead and hit continue. Let's just kind of go through these prompts. I'm just going to hit don't share. Let's go ahead and sign in. Once you go through the email prompt and make the account, it's just going to bring you to this page. And from here, you can go ahead and use Claude for anything that you want. It is a free version of it. You can upgrade to a Claude Pro, to a paid version. So that's up to you. But from here, you can just go ahead and use Claude for anything that you need. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to download Claude and make an account and start using within minutes.